So, but now we have to go back because the groups were giving their proposals to the subsidiary body, and now the system of the formulating of this subsidiary body, which will be now one group, changed.
No, but not for this one.
Not for this one. It will be next year, happily. So, did electoral group number 1 come to decision concerned the candidacy?
I'm sorry to say, Chair, that no, and I talked to the Secretariat, and they told me that this decision would be discussed tomorrow morning, and we will need some further consultations. Thank you.
So, in this case, we have 2 documents to be revised tomorrow morning, but I hope that it will not take us too long time, because we have only one proposal from electoral group number 1 for one document, and the one proposal from electoral group number 4 to the other documents. So in the morning we will proceed with this documentation.